Most people get this wrong. They think all payday or short-term loans are the same. But the surprising truth is that Ace Cash Express comes with pros and cons you need to know before borrowing. Today, I'll share my honest experience using it. Ace Cash Express provides payday loans, installment loans, and prepaid debit cards. You won't believe what happens next. The application process is fast, often completed in minutes, and funds can be deposited the same day, which is useful in emergencies. The loans are short-term and high interest, designed to cover immediate expenses until your next paycheck. Installment loans allow repayment over several months, which can help reduce financial stress compared to a single lump sum. However, there are serious caveats. Interest rates and fees are high, so borrowing even a small amount can become expensive if not repaid quickly. Missed payments can lead to additional fees and affect your credit score. It's important to borrow only what you can repay on time. The surprising truth is that Ace Cash Express can be a helpful tool for emergencies if used responsibly, but it should not replace budgeting or long-term financial planning. There are safer alternatives like personal loans or credit union loans if you can plan ahead. In conclusion, Ace Cash Express is convenient for quick cash, but the cost is high and the risk of debt is real. Only use it when absolutely necessary, and make sure you understand all fees and repayment terms. Subscribe for more honest loan reviews to help you avoid financial pitfalls and make smarter borrowing choices.